When responding to some support tickets, the BI Connector support team may request that users reproduce the issue and send the logs recorded specifically for that issue. The most commonly reproduced issues pertain to problems in connectivity, failure to load reports, and unsuccessful report refresh. In this video, I'll show how to quickly generate log files in BI Connector to help BI Connector support troubleshoot the issues you're experiencing. I have my ODBC Data Source Administrator open, and I'll select a DSN configured with BI Connector and click Configure. To start the log generating process, I'll click the gear icon here in the lower left corner. This opens the Advanced Settings window. Now I'll click the Start Tracing button and click OK. The message that BI Connector is running in tracing mode is displayed here. Now I can go ahead and reproduce the issue, and all of the steps I take will be recorded in the logs. After reproducing the issue, I'll return to the Configure a Data Source window and click End Tracing. This opens a window where I'm asked if I want to create a zip file of the log files generated. I'll click OK, which also takes me to the folder where the newly generated zip file is located. The name of the zip file is BI Connector, current date, current time. The file's timestamp makes it easy for me to find the one I'm looking for. At this point, I can either upload the zip file to the BI Connector support portal or simply email it to support@biconnector.com. Now I can sit back and wait for the BI Connector support team to analyze the logs and get back to me quickly with a solution or feedback. Are you encountering hiccups in visualizing OBIEE data in your favorite self-service analytics tool? Try BI Connector.